everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So firstly, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who decided to watch this video today, and an extra special thanks to the over 8,000 of you guys who decided to join the Momentous family. Welcome to another Bargain Moments by Boothe video, where my aim here is to find the most affordable real estate in Jamaica to rent or buy and put it on display for you before others trying to buy or rent affordable real estate even have a clue. If you like this video concept, don't forget to comment down below and hit the like button too. Subscribe to this channel and turn post notifications on so you can get a leg up on the competition trying to buy or rent affordable real estate in Jamaica. But enough of the chattings, I know I'm ready for the video. Are you ready? Run me intro. Before we jump into today's video, I just want to preface it with: number 1, this video is for informational purposes only. Number 2, I am not a realtor. Number 3, everything that I'm going to show or tell you here is public information and I got it directly from the MLS platform. Number 4, I do not know or am I affiliated with the real estate broker or the realtor renting this property. And number 5, please do your due diligence to ensure you protect yourself in all aspects at all times. But with all of that out the way, let's jump into this video for today. Alright, so today we're heading out to the Upper Waterloo Road area, and this is a highly sought after area in Kingston. This is Kingston 8, and you're looking at a property that's going for 50,000 JMD, USD $323, Canadian $414, 240 Great British Pounds, or 284 euros. And let me tell you, this particular property is coming in at a steal. Not a lot of properties are on offer for $50,000 in this Kingston 8 area. So if you're watching this Bargain Moments by Boothe video and you can jump onto this property, look in the comment section down below. I'll have the link pinned so you can come to the One Oak Realty website and you'll see the number for Mr. Mark Russell, who is the real estate agent for this particular property, and you can reach out to him at 876-367-4748. And let me tell you, this particular property is basically a steal for anyone who wants to have all the luxuries of living in Kingston, being 5 minutes away from New Kingston, being 2 minutes away from Mega Mart, being 2 minutes away from Fontana, Starbucks, Wendy's, close to halfway tree. Like, come on, this is literally a renter's dream. Now, this particular property is recently renovated. The ground floor studio apartment was converted to a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in a small complex of just 12 units, and as I stated before, this is located on Upper Waterloo Road, and the features of the apartment include modern floors, wall tiles, contemporary fixtures and fittings, hardwood kitchen cabinetry, water heater and water tank, and this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom property with ceramic tiling. The interior of your 1-bedroom studio apartment is 420 square feet, and the site influences are that this property is centrally located, easy access, it is a level lot, and the other things that come with this property, as mentioned before, is that it has a water tank, which you will see in the pictures that I'll show. It has a water heater, it is fully grilled, and it is unfurnished, ready for you to move in with all of the furniture that you have from the place you're going to be definitely moving from to get this steal of a deal coming in at $50,000 for this 1-bedroom rental. But with all of that said, let's jump into the images of this property and let's look a bit more into what this space has to offer for you. So we start off on the outside of this property, and you can see where there is a bit of greenery, and you can also see that based on the fact that there are only 12 units available at this property, there is indeed enough parking for you to park 2 cars of your own inside this space. I would say there is some greenery. The place could use a little bit of paint, but you're not living on the outside, you're living on the inside, and the inside of this property is absolutely beautiful. So this is just showing you the water tank that you have, and I don't know if there's a back door where this awning is covering, but the covering is always a good touch when rain is falling to kind of get some of the rain away from your window. So as you can see, the outside is fully grilled and safe and secure. The windows are grilled as well. You have this nice walk-in area, the soft white lights, the nice soft colors on the inside, the nice wood door that is on the outside that greets you. This is your living space, I would say, and it is completely beautiful. You have a nice windows grilled up again right next to your kitchen area. We're about to go inside the kitchen right now so you guys can see what's going on. You have the sandstone finish on the countertops. It is a single bowl sink, but there is a window there that is also grilled. You can look through while you're doing your dishes. This is enough cabinetry for a single person living there or a couple. They can also add additional storage spaces. There's enough space there to put some additional stuff. I see a space for the refrigerator, a space for the stove. Like, come on, this property is really nice. I like the color scheme. It really gives you a warm and homey feel. So this is the living area again that's being showcased, and we step right into the bedroom. You see where you have a his and hers closet. There are 2 sides you can pull away, so one side for him, one side for her. This is a reverse angle of the bedroom, and we're about to jump into the bathroom right after this. So you see the kind of space you're working with. You can probably fit a queen size bed inside there and some furniture as well. Now this bathroom is nice. You get the nice white toilet, the nice white vanity with the shower enclosure, the glass shower enclosure. This is just a beautiful space, I would say, especially for the price. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this particular property. Don't forget to comment how you think I can improve these bargain moments by Boothe videos. Also comment down below if you think this property is a bargain. Thanks guys so much for watching. AB signing out.